Hello friends, our next Java program question is we have to take input from user and we have to add to integer and we have to return print as a sum of their number. So we have given input as a equal to 20, b equal to 30. So output will be 50. So we have to print that. So first of all, we have to take the input from user and we have to do the sum. So first of all, we have to create one class that will be main.java, or you can do your own name for that name for Java class. And in that we have to create one main method that will run this application and that will take the input from a user also. So and that will print the sum also. So first of all, I will create the scanner class. This class will take input from user. So this is the standard input processor. So this is the simplest one, and it is has all the method that has you can use for submission. You take the input from user, you can convert that into string also. So these all methods are present in this class. So that is why use this class. So I will give variable name as sc equal to new scanner in bracket. Before creating the this scanner object, first we have to insert the system.in, the input stream system, because whenever we try to do that, we are taking the input from user. So that is why we have to write the system.in the scanner object, and then it will create this object. And if you do not give this system.in, so it will not take the input from user. So that is why we have to do this. And after that, we have to take the input. So we are taking as an integer. So I am taking the int as a primitive data type equal to a. So I am giving a variable name a equal to sc dot. So take the input from user in integer format. We have one dedicated method that is next init. So we have to use that. So it will store the data in a variable. Before that, I am going to ask the user to write the what we say, take the input, enter the input. So I will give the variable name as enter the value of a. So I will give that. And same with the to take the input for b. Also, I will give that. So I'm going to close that. And after that, I will store the b value equal to sc dot. Same method because we are taking the same data type, that is integer. And to do the sum, we have to use and to store that answer in the int. So I will give as a variable name as sum equal to a plus b. It is going to sum the a and b, and I'm going to print that. So I will use the system.out.println bracket the sum of. So I will use the input A and B each. I will print that in the format. So if you check, first of all, I have taken the input in A variable, then B variable. I have done the summation of A plus B, and I am printing the sum. So first of all, I will enter the value of A. So what is the value of A? It's 20. So I will enter that 20. So 20. And then value of b is 30, so I will print that. And the sum of 20 and 30 is 50. So it is going to return in this format. If you want in another format, only we want to print the sum, you can just remove this, and it is going to print the only sum in the value. If you see, I'm going to enter the 20, then 30, and it will give the 50 answer as a 50. So this is all about the input taking and the submission of two variables. So we will see on about another variable by changing the data type also. So thank you.